Find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Add seam allowance while cutting. I suggest +1 centimeter. Don't forget center fold while cutting. Sew crotch part first. Add lining from natural fabric for bottom part of the panties. Sew side seams and back of bralette. I use serger for this project. Sew side seams of the panties. Fold and sew edges of the panties. I decided to add lining for bralette. Cut it the same as the main parts. Sew all seams of lining. Sew green bralette together with white lining. Sew neckline, top of back and armhole seams. Fold and sew bottom of the bralette. it with flat seamer or zigzag stitch. Here I fold in half and sew straps for bralette. I made it from elastic string. Measure the length of the straps on your body. I sew it by hand. Good luck on your project.